So hello everyone, this video is about a video demonstration of how to examine the muscles of mastication. So these muscles of mastication, there are major 4 muscles of mastication which includes the masseter muscle, second is going to be the temporalis, and third is going to be the medial pterygoid, and last is going to be the lateral pterygoid. These are the 4 muscles which move the mandible aiding it in the mastication, speech, etc. So the main part of examining this is there may be a patient who may come to you for complaining of any restrictive mouth opening or any pain while opening everything. So in this regard you have to examine these muscles of mastication to find out there is any issue with this particular muscles. There may be tenderness in this particular muscle. So to give a selective treatment in that aspect, so you need to know that the tenderness is from which muscle. So for that, this particular topic, examination of the muscles of mastication is very important. So first, going on with the muscles, the examination of the masseter muscle. So in this, how to examine is, first the patient is asked to bite his, clench his teeth, and once he clenches his teeth on the lateral aspect above the ramus of the mandible, in this aspect there will be a small projection which is seen. So that is going to be the masseter muscle. So first, on palpating this masseter muscle, palpation is done with 3 methods, that is bidistally, that is with 2 fingers, and bimanually, one finger in the inside the mouth and 2 fingers outside the mouth, that is bimanual palpation. And third is bidistal palpation, that is at the same time both the sides, the right side and left side muscles are palpated. So first, how it is palpated is, first before the ears, in the temporomandibular joint, in the zygomatic arch, 2 fingers are kept, and from there we are going into a inferior direction, and we are going to give a gentle press of 2 seconds, firm gentle pressure of 2 seconds till the inferior aspect. So this is going to be the bidigital palpation of the masseter muscle. So once this is done, we are done with the deep part of the muscle, and we are moving on to the superficial part of the muscle which is inserted on the further. If we go downward, here we can palpate the inferior part of the muscle, that is the superficial part which is having its insertion to the inferior border of the inferior ramus of the mandible. So second is going to be one finger up. So one finger is placed inside, and the other 2 digits, that is the 2 fingers, are placed outside. So this is the second method of palpation of a masseter muscle. And on giving gentle pressure of 2 seconds and firm gentle pressure, so this movement is done. On doing this movement, if the patient has pain, then we can elicit that there is a tenderness positive in this particular muscle. So at the same time, bilaterally it is palpated. And so with this completes the examination of a masseter muscle. Then moving on to the temporalis muscle, which is exactly over the temporal region. In this region, this is a fan shaped muscle which is located in this particular area. So here it is divided into 3 aspects, that is the anterior part of the muscle and the middle parts of the muscle and the posterior part of the muscle. So for examination of the anterior part of the muscle, so what is that? Again 2 fingers, around 3 fingers is taken, and we go vertically upward. So exactly first it is placed on the zygomatic arch before the temporomandibular joint. So the palpation goes like this, exactly towards the upper portion. So this is going to be the palpation of the anterior part of the muscle. Again here the patient is asked to clench his teeth initially, and then second, exactly above the temporomandibular joint, this is to palpate the middle part of the muscle. So you go upward like this. This is again done bilaterally. And the third movement is like from the behind the temporomandibular joint, exactly in this position, and you go up. So this is, you go little cross behind and above the ears. So this is a fan shaped muscle I said earlier. So it goes like this. So this completes the examination of the temporalis muscle, and this temporalis muscle can also be palpated, that is the temporalis tendon can also be palpated intraorally, where patient is made to open his mouth wide open and with the one single finger this is palpated. Exactly, it is touched once we feel the coronoid process. It has its attachment towards the coronoid process. So once the coronoid process is reached, you have to give a little gentle lateral pressure. So in this regard, we can palpate the temporalis tendon near the coronoid process, above the coronoid process. So next, moving on to the next muscle, that is lateral pterygoid. So in this lateral pterygoid, the palpation is done again with a single finger. Intraorally it is done, and either the little finger or the index finger is used. What is done is a gentle upward and inward pressure is given in this. Behind the muscle which we are going to examine is going to be the lateral pterygoid. So this lateral pterygoid muscle is again palpated with a single finger, either the index finger or the little finger, where it is exactly palpated behind the maxillary tuberosity on its lateral aspect, and a gentle upward and inward pressure is given. A gentle upward and inward pressure is given. So with this we can palpate this particular muscle, and any tenderness is there, it can be elicited. Let's stop. Moving on to the next muscle, that is the medial pterygoid, so which is attached on the medial aspect of the ramus of the mandible. So yeah. So in this, the patient is asked to open his mouth wide open, and then with the index finger, in a 45-degree angulation, exactly we are going to palpate the inner aspect of that is the medial aspect of the ramus of the mandible. So with this we can palpate the medial pterygoid muscle, and also at the same time extraorally it can be palpated from outside also at the same time. And the inferior and the posterior part of the muscle, this is palpated from extraorally in this region. And also one finger is placed inside, and here with the bimanual palpation we can palpate the inferior most and the posterior portion of the medial pterygoid muscle. So this completes the examination of the various muscles of mastication, and thanks for watching this video.